Now, the solution to this particular examination problem will goes like this. First, you people have to write down FER, that is finite element representation diagram. As it has been discussed in the first problem, representation of various types of displacements, that is angular and vertical displacement, in addition to representations of element number and length of the element, and finally the node numbering or the total contents present in finite element representation diagram. Students must take care while writing FER for this particular problem. The meaning of my just said sentence is, as per FEA, wherever there are loads present on the structural member, you need to create one node at that particular location. That is, as per the problem sketch, a load in the form of moment, which is clockwise, 300 kilonewton meter, is acting at a location of 4 meter from the left end on the beam structure. So, in addition to two end nodes, you have to create a node at a distance of LE1 is equal to 4 meter, that is at the intermediate location on the beam structure. As per this sheet, the informations you students have to take care in your mind is, there are three nodes numbered 1, 2 and 3. Element 1 is having a length LE1 and is consisting of nodes 1 and 2. Element E2 is formed by connecting the nodes 2 and 3, whose length is LE2. As discussed in the previous problem, at each node there will be two displacements, one vertical displacement and the another angular displacement. So, Q1, Q2 are the vertical and angular displacements corresponding to node 1. Similarly, Q3, Q4 and Q5, Q6 are the vertical and angular displacements corresponding to node 2 and 3. At last, the utmost important point you have to remember from this FER is Q1, Q2. The numbers present in these symbols are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 represents first row first column, second row second column, which are related to node number 1. Similarly, numbers 3 and 4 represents third row third column, fourth row fourth column, which are related to node number 2. And finally, numbers 5 and 6 represents fifth row fifth column and sixth row sixth column, which are related to node number 3.